All right, Wade. Here's Wade again with the Bauer 20 volt 10 inch. And I think we're maxed out on this little log right here.
Mm-hmm.
So go ahead and go through. And this is maxed out at 10 inches. Go ahead and I would say cut it right about here.
Right.
Start cutting. And this is maxed out. So let's see how it does.
All right.
I mean, that was like maybe 30 seconds or so, and yeah,
Just
it bogged down. It stopped a couple times, but I mean, that's great.
Yeah.
Harbor Freight, man, 20 volts, 20 volts.